Welcome to RadicalWellnessTV.com. This is Laura Lee, and I'm here to share with you some tips and ideas on how to take care of yourself proactively, naturally, with your environment inside your house or out. Today I'm going to be talking about enzymes, the energy of life. What are enzymes? Enzymes are a delicate, lifelike substance found in all living cells, whether animal or vegetable. Enzymes are energized protein molecules necessary for life. They catalyze and regulate nearly all biochemical reactions that occur within the human body. Enzymes turn the food we eat into energy and unlock this energy for use in the body. They cannot be seen with even the most powerful microscope, but their presence and strength can be determined by improved blood and immune system functions. There are three types of enzymes. Our bodies naturally produce two types, digestive and metabolic enzymes, as they are needed, while food enzymes can only be consumed orally. Metabolic enzymes speed up the chemical reaction within the cells for detoxification and energy production. They enable us to see, hear, feel, move, and think. Every organ, every tissue, and all 100 trillion cells in our body depend upon the reaction of metabolic enzymes and their energy factor. Metabolic enzymes are produced by the liver, pancreas, gallbladder, and other organs. Digestive enzymes are secreted along the digestive tract to break down food into nutrients and waste. This allows nutrients to be absorbed into the bloodstream and the waste to be discarded. Human digestive enzymes include pectin, pepsin, trypsin, leptin, protease, and amylase. The body does not make cellulose, an enzyme necessary for proper digestion of fiber, so it must be introduced through raw foods we eat. Food enzymes are introduced to the body through the raw foods we eat and through consumption of supplemental enzymes fortifiers. Raw foods naturally contain enzymes, providing a source of digestive enzymes when ingested. However, raw food manifests only enough enzymes to digest that particular food, not enough to be stored in the body for later use. The cooking and processing of food destroys all its enzymes. Since most of the foods we eat are cooked or processed in some way, and since the raw foods we do eat contain only enough enzymes to process that particular food, our bodies must produce the majority of the digestive enzymes we require. For these reasons, it is recommended that we supplement our diet with enzymes. So, break down fats. It is a proven fact that the enzymes lipase breaks down digests fat. When added to your meal as a supplement, it is able to do this in the digestive tract. This takes stress off the gallbladder, liver, and pancreas. When taken between meals, it will be stored in the liver and called upon as needed. Lipase is present in all of the Enzymatica enzyme fortifiers. Lyo has the highest content of lipase to aid in the digestion of fat. Shed excess weight. Many overweight people have metabolism imbalance or will soon create one. The endocrine system is our metabolism. Once we are able to fortify the endocrine system, get the bowels working regularly, and digest our food rather than turning it into fat, we have a successful combination for losing weight. This process is not instantaneous because we have to lose fat instead of weight. A person has to lose a great deal of fat to equal 1 pound of weight. It takes longer, but it is more healthier and lasts longer. Best of all, it's no harm. Enhance mental capacity. Your body uses glucose called from the liver to feed and fortify the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus directs our endocrine system and is responsible for, among other things, balancing emotions. This long-lasting glucose is made from the protein stored in the liver. All plant enzymes come from protein foods, thus they help fortify the liver for this function. Red blood cells carry oxygen and nutrients to the glands, muscles, and all the organs of the body, including the brain. Nutrients, however, can only be delivered throughout the body by means of the enzyme delivery system. When this is not accomplished, you become fatigued and are less able to think clearly. Enzymatica enzymes contain some of the necessary enzymes to support the blood in delivering the nutrients required by the hypothalamus, liver, brain, and all the trillion cells found in the body. Improve aging skin. An adequate supply of enzymes are absolutely essential for keeping your skin young looking and healthy. According to the researchers Amber Ackerson and Anthony Sychoke in Portland, Oregon, enzymes fight the aging process by increasing blood supply to the skin, bringing with it life-giving nutrients and carrying away waste products that can make your skin look dull and unhealthy. Plant-based enzymes are grown from plant protein foods in a laboratory setting with specific actions rendered in units. They are non-pathogenic pharmaceutical aspirate species and are free. We don't need to read about that. Your enzyme potential is what we're going to go ahead and read next time for part 2 of enzymes, the energy of life. So love life, and life will love you back. I hope that helps, and you can share and like and comment.